Gear up for the countdown to the best drill press under $500. Precision, power, and value you can actually feel as you tighten the chuck. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drill press under $500 that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Dremel 200 and 20-1. Dremel 200 and 20-1 workstation is a compact, portable drill press solution designed to convert a handheld Dremel rotary tool into a precise drilling platform without committing to a full-size bench unit. Its core appeal lies in flexibility. The unit offers a rigid, adjustable work table that slides and tilts to align with the bit, while the Dremel tool remains easily accessible for bit changes and adjustments. Depth stop is simple to calibrate, delivering repeatable results across soft woods, plastics, and light metals. Because you are using the Dremel motor itself, you can leverage the broad ecosystem of Dremel bits and accessories, which is a cost-effective approach for hobbyists who already own a selection. Price under $500 makes this an approachable entry point for beginners and for makers who want a quick solution for small projects. Setup is straightforward. Mount your Dremel into the clamp, secure the workstation to a table or bench, and you are ready to drill perpendicular holes with control over depth. The table offers enough footprint for small parts, and the overall footprint is compact enough to leave on a workbench between tasks. Vibration is modest because the motion is supported by the clamp and the built-in guide, which keeps the bit aligned while your hands stay free for material placement. In practice, the unit excels in model making, jewelry, craft projects, and small repair work where you need a consistent drill angle without building a larger rig. The limitations are clear. This is not meant for high-torque drilling or for heavy metal work. You will trade power and rigidity for portability and price. For longer sessions, the ergonomic handle and the table's tilt range improve comfort and allow more natural operation. Paired to the NovelLife CNC 795, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Dremel 200 and 20-1 prioritizes portability and ease of use over CNC precision and multi-axis control, offering a simple, approachable path into drilled projects. Narrative, then, is about finding the right tool for the job. When space and budget are at a premium, this unit becomes a versatile companion rather than a heavyweight investment, and that can be the deciding factor for many hobbyists who value flexibility over brute force. At number 4, we have the NovelLife CNC 795. The NovelLife CNC 795 is pitched as a precision benchtop drilling platform with CNC capabilities designed for makers who want repeatable hole placement and the potential to automate simple tasks. Built around a compact, rigid frame, it pairs a precision spindle with guided linear axes, a stable work table, and a control panel that accepts basic G-code and jog commands. Machine's strength lies in its ability to lock into accurate coordinate moves, enabling consistent hole spacing along a line or grid pattern, which is ideal for projects like project boards, small enclosures, or model components where exact spacing matters. Travel on the X and Y axes provides a workable footprint for small to medium pieces, while the Z-axis movement manages the depth. The quill offers a moderate stroke suitable for drilling into wood, plastic, and soft metals with a depth stop system that supports repeatability. Build quality typically features robust alloy or steel components and ball screw or lead screw drives for smooth, backlash-free motion. The control interface is designed to be approachable for users who are not professional machinists. CNC capability is a differentiator in this sub-$500 niche, but it comes with a caution. CNC reliability depends on calibration, software familiarity, and stable power. Expect some setup time relative to a purely manual unit. For best results, you will want a clean, well-ventilated workspace and a consistent power source to avoid missing steps or drift. Paired to the Dremel 200 and 20-1, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the NovelLife CNC 795 emphasizes automated precision and repeatability over portability and low-cost simplicity, offering a more capable experience for users who plan to drill many holes with the same specifications. Narrative here is about exploring a balance between automation and accessibility, where CNC power meets the constraints of a sub-$500 price point, and the result is a compact machine that can handle precise work. At number 3, we have the Generic Floor Drill Press. Generic Floor Drill Press represents a traditional, floor-standing drill platform designed for stability, power, and larger workpieces. This class of machine typically features a heavy cast-iron frame, a substantial table with tilt and swing capabilities, and a motor that provides more torque and consistent performance through a wider speed range. The floor model is well suited for woodworking, metalworking with light gauge stock, and projects that demand deeper hole drilling and consistent quality across longer sessions. Quill travel is generally more generous than benchtop units, enabling you to drill deeper holes without repositioning the workpiece, while a robust depth stop helps you maintain uniform depth across multiple holes. Bead ranges often cover a broad spectrum to accommodate different bit types and materials, while a sturdy column and cross-braced headstock reduce chatter and deflection during aggressive drilling. Work table is large enough to support bigger stock and can be extended with better vise systems for repeatable clamping. Dust collection integration is easier on floor models, particularly if you have a basement workshop or a dedicated shop space. The downside is size, weight, and space requirements. These are not portable and require a solid floor and stable benching. Paired to the Maopiner double-hole drill press stand, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the generic floor drill press offers more robustness in motion and depth, but relies on a fixed home position rather than flexible mounting options, making it ideal for shop setups where you can dedicate a single, stable station. Narrative on such a unit centers on performance, durability, and the ability to tackle larger or longer-running projects without frequent repositioning. For under $500, this model remains a compelling option for serious hobbyists or woodworkers who need dependable results and the confidence that comes from a floor-standing machine. If you want the depth and rigidity of a larger unit without the engineering complexity of a high-end professional machine, this is a strong middle ground that pairs well with basic accessories, a sturdy vise, and a comfortable workflow. At number 2, we have the Maopiner double-hole drill press stand. The Maopiner double-hole drill press stand is engineered for folks who want portable, adjustable drill press capability on a bench surface rather than a full freestanding unit. Double-hole design enables flexible mounting positions and quick reconfiguration of the drill alignment, while the aluminum construction keeps weight manageable for frequent repositioning around a workshop. Stand typically features height adjustment and a universal mounting post that accepts a variety of drill heads or small milling attachments, turning a simple drill press into a more configurable tool that can support multiple setups. Key advantage is its affordability and modular approach. You can outfit it with a basic benchtop press and then upgrade to a heavier head as needed, all without a major investment. Clamp and guide rails provide repeatable alignment for consistent hole spacing and perpendicular drilling, which is especially valuable for projects like cabinetry hardware, jigs, or hobby projects that require precise repeated holes. A potential limitation is that maximum drilling depth and torque will depend on the attached head, so you may find the performance changes when using more aggressive bits or denser stock. For best results, consider a dedicated drill press head with a robust quill and an appropriate chuck to handle the bits you plan to use. Paired to the generic benchtop drill press, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the Maopiner stand offers superior mounting flexibility and price, but relies on an external head for the actual drilling action, which can affect rigidity and repeatability depending on your configuration. The narrative here is about expanding your options with a modular approach that keeps costs down while enabling a capable, small-footprint drilling solution for hobbyists who want to optimize their shop layout. The end result is a practical upgrade path that makes it easier to switch between tasks without dedicating full shop space to a single drill press. At number 1, we have the Generic Benchtop Drill Press. The Generic Benchtop Drill Press is the quintessential entry point for a home workshop. A compact, versatile workhorse that combines solid metal construction, practical functionality, and an approachable price under $500. Benchtop design makes it ideal for a kitchen table to workshop transition, allowing you to set up a precise drilling station without committing to a heavy floor-standing unit. Typical features include a variable or selectable speed range, a quill with a smooth feed for accurate hole placement, and a depth stop to guarantee uniform depth across multiple holes. A cast iron or sturdy steel table, often with tilt and rotate options, offers enough surface area to support small workpieces and jigs. This is where you can attach a laser or a simple clamp system for repeatable drilling. Support column and headstock are designed to minimize vibration, which translates into cleaner holes and less chatter on wood, plastic, and soft metals. A taped cord or integrated motor housing keeps the setup tidy, and the accessory ecosystem, chucks, drill bits, countersinks, and adjustable stops, extends the unit's usefulness across a wide range of tasks. For anyone new to woodworking or metalworking, the ergonomics of a benchtop unit matter. Easy height adjustments, straightforward calibration, and a forgiving learning curve can make all the difference when you are still building your tool sense. Under $500, the value proposition is compelling because you gain a lot of real, practical drilling capability without the upfront commitment of larger machines. With a modest footprint, you can integrate this drill press into a small shop or a dedicated corner of a garage and upgrade gradually as your needs evolve. Paired to the Dremel 220-1, which I have included as number 5 on this list, The Generic Benchtop Drill Press offers more raw drilling power and stability, but at a size and weight that may not suit portable needs, so you gain serious capability at the cost of mobility. The narrative here is about building a foundation, a solid, reliable unit that handles common hobby drilling tasks with confidence and allows you to learn, grow, and expand your toolkit over time.